Every time I hear that there's a project that went wrong, and I think one of the big ones we already talked about, and that's misaligned expectations. From the very beginning, there has to be a scoping activity up front. For our methodology, it's called a diagnostics, where we really take a deep dive into the full business and we all agree upon what is the core reason that we are doing this ERP implementation. I think there's all kinds of different strategies for why we want to implement ERPs, Business Central, all of that. But until our team, the consulting team, fully understands what the true driving purpose is, we will not be able to deliver a solution that works for the business. And a prime example of that is if the business is trying to gain visibility and they don't really care about efficiency, and we're spending all of our time working on making processes faster, orders are coming in, they're flowing to warehouses, everything's super fast, but we're not building the analytics around it, the customer is going to be unhappy with the end result. And so in turn, we need to make sure that we're looking at what the true drivers are and aligning those expectations. I mean, there's also various different other types of things that have caused projects to get derailed. There's the engagement from the customer side, right? So you have to have that executive involvement in these projects from the very beginning. And I think it's something that we do a very good job of here at Volt, is we make sure that our executive team and our customers' executive teams are part of this effort to make sure that we're delivering a great solution. I mean, we've talked in the past about making sure that the right team is there at the right time. Well, that's both from the Volt side and from the customer side. These projects cannot be done by the consulting team alone. Any partner out there that's telling you that they're basically just going to spend a couple weeks with you guys and then go build everything and then deliver you a solution at the very end, that project is set up for failure. You have to be involved throughout the whole process. It's our system, not just Volt system. It's the customer and our system that we're collectively building. And it needs to be a very iterative process where we're showing you something, you're giving us feedback, we're refining it, and then we keep going. And then plus, you're getting the change management along the way, which is also one of the biggest reasons why projects are getting into trouble nowadays, is that we're spending all the time on the technology, and we're not spending the time on the people. People are absolutely critical to ERP implementations. There's talk about Copilot and all kinds of different AI in the future, but at the end of the day, people are still making the decisions. People are still running these ERPs. We have to give them time to learn the system, get trained on the system, and if we don't bring them along the way, the go live is going to be very rocky.